Hey everyone, welcome to our Combo Blocks Content Slider blog series tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add content slider block in Gutenberg editor. So let's try add our content slider block. Once you add it in your page, you will see the ready variation. These variations are you can also load more to see more variations and you see different types of variation. These are the variation for the category slider or taxonomy term slider. There it is the post slider and the product slider. So you can, and also there is this testimonial slider. You can pick from this or skip to start from blank. Let's try from blank. So let's pick the content slider and let's explore this option and feature. The content slider has the slider options and the wrapper and the item navigation. Also navigation has the nav, wrap, previous, next. So you can target each element differently, individually to style or customize. And the pagination also has the selector for the pagination wraps, pagination idle and pagination active. Also there is the visibility for the advanced visibility control and block position as well. So let's try customize the wrapper elements. So the background color, you can choose the background color for the wrapper element. So let's back the, and also you can add a style. Every CSS property you can add from here. And wrapper has the class and you can add a dynamic class also and the block ID here. And the item, you can customize the item wrappers. Let's try add more item. So you see the slider item added. So add one more item. So you see the pagination appear or dots appear at the bottom. So let's try add a text, hello world, and you can input. This is our content slider, so you can use different content or text or element each individual item. So let's try back to the content slider and let's try customize the item wrapper. So let's try add a background color and there it is background color. You see the item wrapper has the background color, as well as you can customize slider item wrapper from here. And also navigation, the navigation wrap and previous and next. So you can customize the previous style from here. The background color, you see the background color changed, and the next wrapper, so you can change the background color for the next as well. So these are the selector for the each individual item for the navigations and the pagination as well. The pagination active style you can choose from here like this, you see, and the idle style as well. Let's try different background color for the idle style, you see. So I hope you understand how to customize this individual selector for the content slider, but you can add any custom element under the each individual slider item. So you can add text, image or video and anything you want. Let's try add YouTube. We are using the default YouTube block, so let's try add YouTube videos on video embeds. You can also duplicate the slider item, so you don't need to create every time or each time to add YouTube. And the last one, let's try removing the text block from here. Let's remove the item background color, it looks good. So you see the slider for the YouTube videos we have created, and let's remove the background color from the wrapper. Let's update the page and try refresh or reload the page on the front end, and you see the beautiful video slider we have created. And you see you can play from here also. This is a beautiful way to showcase your YouTube videos. Also, you can put anything you want. This is a beautiful way to add custom content slider. And the content slider also has the slider options, so you can add more content column per page and per more you want to customize. And there is autoplay, true and false, and the gap you can customize for the gap. Let's see, you see the gap has changed. And the pagination, you want the pagination or not. So let's try smaller value to display the pagination. If you don't want to display the pagination, you can. And drag enable and navigation, everything. And you also see the other slider option on here. And also you can see the responsive settings for the slider options you can choose. So also you can choose the speed. So let's try 1 second. Let's try update, and then refresh the page on the front end, and you see the slider has changed with gap, new gap. But this is not the end, because you can create post slider, term slider, taxonomy slider, and the testimonial slider, video slider, image slider, and many other things you can create by our content slider. And you see the blog variations. We have added the taxonomy slider and the product slider, post slider, and you see the post slider, product slider, and the testimony slider. We will explain each of this type of slider in different videos, so let's check our other videos. I hope you will love this. Thank you so much for watching.